Okay, I thought I'd just do a quick video before I installed the magneto. We could see things better here a little bit. So I've got the intakes on. The Y adapter is installed. The hoses for the oil cooler are there. We'll go over these fittings real quick. So this is, I always use a 90-degree fitting here for the oil pressure. The line will come up that way, and you can tie it off to the oil cooler lines. Intake, Scott's got these marked left and right when they come out of the box. I don't know if there's a difference. Unless he's talking about facing the airplane. I think firewall forward is supposed to be facing the engine, so I do have it on the left and the right, but I couldn't see that much difference in, to be honest with you. You know, they've got a little bulb here, because what these are is chrome drain P-trap parts or whatever. So they're super light, durable, you know, metal that way. So just make sure you get your hose clamps on tight, and make sure that things are bottomed out, that this tube is bottomed into the tube here. Clamp it. Same thing, of course, at the top there. Then this is how it mounts. So this is on the engine already. Like I said, it used to be you had to make a bracket to come off of here. Now he's machined that all as part of that flange, which is great. And then I've got the adapter for the oil temperature sender. What we use is this high temperature sealant. We've used it forever. It used to be a number 760. That might have been some other brand or something, but it's just high temperature gasket sealer. Works pretty well. Like I said, I've got the hoses on here. Just make sure there's a bulb here, of course, at the end of these tubes. Make sure you're past the bulb. Give it a good tug. If you're on the bulb, it'll come right off. So just check that real close, and you should be all set. So I'll get the magneto on, and we'll be back with you again.